going on, guys? TheBionicScoop here. And one of my favorite things to do in photography is to think outside the box when it comes to focal lengths. Well, most people are like, oh, 35 millimeter and 50 millimeter are for street photography. I shoot most of my street photography at 85. I like to be a bit more intimate, gets you a little bit closer to your subject, compresses that background a bit. I also don't have a lot of wide angle stuff, so I think let's go shoot some wide angle stuff tonight with a new toy. Let's talk about it. So, everything's bigger and brighter here in Vegas. I mean, everything. Lighting is always a challenge, especially shooting on Fremont. So, shooting out there, I like to shoot bands a lot. There's always live music, and they're so much fun to shoot. With 85, I can punch right in, get real tight, get some really good shots of emotion, the band guys playing. Really, really kind of captures that moment. People having fun. I get to punch in real tight. Even people, telling how they feel about, political things. I also get a chance to take some really cool angles of things you see all the time there, but don't really get a chance to get up close to. But there's something about wide angle that kind of captures the whole thing. You see everything. Everything going on around you. The distance seems more because now you're getting more into the frame. Bands from the same focal point, the wide angle completely changes how you see them, how you look at them, how you experience them. It's not as intimate, but you see more of what's going on, all of the colors, not just a tight look at some of the colors, all the people walking by. You get to see what they're interacting with, how they're interacting, what are they seeing, what are they talking about. The lights, the neon on Fremont's amazing anyway, but to see it in wide angle, also you can do some pretty cool stuff with focal length and look like you're shooting in tight, but you're just kind of close. But in the end, wide angle lets you see everything, and I enjoy it. All right, so we're back home, and really excited. Got a bunch of good shots with all the kit I brought with me. But getting wide angle is pretty nice, and well, the new piece of kit that I got that shoots wide angle also takes great phone calls, and also 5G is pretty good on it because basically this is my new wide angle camera. Pixel 5a. All the wide angle shots you saw tonight were from this phone here. Even some of the ones that were up close, using a little bit of photography trickery and a little bit of portrait mode. I was able to produce amazing images. But this, surprise, gotta scoop out. Take care.